This video explains grading scales in the system and provides steps for creating a new one. Grading scales enable you to evaluate tests and present test results in a standardized way, for example, on a scale from A to F. Navigate to Tests and Grading Scales. The Grading Scales page contains two tabs: Grading Scales, with all existing grading scale templates that can be previewed and edited, and New Grading Scale, where you can create a new one. The existing grading scale templates are divided into three categories. Grading scale templates created by you. Public templates are available to anyone accessing the Grading Scales page. And a list of all grading scale templates in the system, both public and private. They are visible only to users with permission number 38, defined in the Roles and Permissions in Users tab. You can edit existing grading scales, but only when they are not assigned to some test template or published test. If you try to edit some assigned grading scale, you will receive this notification. Instead, you can make the necessary changes to it and save it as a new scale under a different name. To create a new grading scale, navigate to this tab. Enter the name and choose whether it will be public, which means it will be visible to all users with permission 38, or private, visible only to creators. Then add additional information about a new grading scale. You can choose whether the grade will be expressed in points or percentages. If grading is in points, you can set a minimum and a maximum number of points. However, values are fixed from 0 to 100% when the scale is in percentages. Now add grading labels by defining grades and their range. For each grade, enter the name and range. You can delete a label by clicking on the trash bin icon. The minimum grade in percentages is 0, and the maximum is 100. When the scale is in points, the minimum is 0 or more, and the maximum is the total number of points that can be achieved on a test. When finished, click the Save button to save the grading scale. To add the grading scale to the test without sections, in the sixth step of Test Wizard, choose from the drop-down menu. Note that for tests with sections, you can add a grading scale for each section and for the test as a whole.